Today, this video is gonna be me showing you what I got for Christmas. Okay? So first, I got the marshmallow. It's really crunchy, I know. It's actually like cheese. And you went to my school, talking about like football, like that. And I don't really like it. I got a little, and a football. The reason that this going is up because me and my uncle and my cousins go out and play tag in the dark. And we go to some football in the morning, and it's not really a good football. I mean, it's really good football, but it's just you can't see it in the dark. So that's why I missed it with my touchdown. Then I got the one and only. What? Yeah. Now, you know what? It's not gonna be in the cracker. It's gonna be in my food. Okay. Then I also got this headphone stand. It matches my color in my headphones. I love it. Me and my mom are gonna get like LED lights to wrap around it. And a stand for my Xbox. You see this light right here? That's the stand. That holds down the Xbox. And it also like this is the battery for the Xbox. And so you could it's rechargeable battery. Because my cousin was asking for any batteries, any batteries. So rechargeable battery. I'm going to put this back. Yeah. So that's my cousin. Billy, come say hi. Come say hi to my viewers. So got this. It's like a little screen. If you push these buttons, like really light. It's really cool. And then I also got this green set. Says Fortnite. This is like setting blockers. You know, like it gets from high settings to how you could block them. And then these are actually what help you in. These basically like make like right the joystick. You know? It right the joystick so it's like you can move better when you aim. Oh, I also got this keychain. It's bracelet. It's really cool bracelet to look. It's really cool. I don't know if you have to put it on camera, but yeah. So, I'm gonna click on it. Alright, the thing I want to show you guys. A gel blaster. It has to charge right now, so I can't see it yet. Okay, but yeah, but also hard. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Come on. I already have 10 subscribers. Okay, that's one. I'm just gonna turn the camera back. Turn the camera back in. Ready? I turn the camera back. Come say hi. This is Chuck. I also like to draw. So I forgot sketchbook. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to check out Kathy is Cool, Mickey Mouse 7, and Kevin Pierce 2803. Yeah, go check them out.